excited about our new set of natural wood slices. So this is a really loaded set. It comes with 50 wood slices. It comes with 2 different ropes. You have some hemp rope to tie with or some cotton rope to tie with. The cotton rope you can see kind of has a candy cane design. Now here are the pieces of wood themselves. These are made out of natural pine, really smooth and soft, also lightweight, so really easy to work with, great for students, children, anything, you name it. High quality wood as well. You can see it's the real deal. Smells so good. A hole on the front right there, and that's where you put your string through, so you're able to hang it. It is again smooth, so it's polished smooth, so there's no burrs or anything going against your fingers. You could do so many things with this. You could paint it, color on it, you could even burn and then carve in a design on it, and the fact that you're getting 50 is awesome, so a great value as well. So my daughter right here is gonna make some decorations, and again, this would be beautiful, especially with this rope, or you could use the hemp and make a beautiful decoration to hang on the tree, a do-it-yourself decoration, right, ornament that you could do. So if you are looking for decorative natural wood slices, definitely check these out. You ready to color? Okay.